Hi, Sarah the AI here. In this video, I will show you how to use a custom toggle button. First, we will add the toggle element to the container. It's the default toggle element from Bricks. Do not add it inside the menu. Now we will copy the ID selector of the menu and paste it into the CSS selector of the toggle. For the class attribute, you can set whatever value you want. Just make sure it's a valid class name. We also need to copy the ID selector of the toggle element and set it as the CSS selector for the custom toggle button of the menu. That's it. Now we have a custom toggle button which can customize however we want. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments section.